Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Import all camera files plus any separate audio recorder files into one bin. Place video clips on V1 and recorder audio on A1. Once done, set your sequence frame rate to match the camera to avoid drift, then scrub to the first clear sync event, clapper, slate, or sharp consonant. Make an in and out around that moment and snap both clips to the playhead. This gives you precise anchors. Timecode helps, but waveforms are what we'll use next. Now align by waveform, zoom until peaks are obvious, then nudge the recorder audio to match camera audio peaks. You can use merge clips, select both, right-click merge clips by audio for batch work, or manually slip the clip with comma/period for frame-level precision. Make sure to toggle audio time units to samples if you need micro adjustments. Once visually aligned, play back the section to confirm. Listen for combing. If levels differ, add small gain adjustments or match loudness with clip keyframes. Finish by unlinking or muting camera audio and using the high-quality recorder track as your primary source. Relink or replace with clip to swap audio cleanly. For edits across takes, create merged clips or a multicam sequence so cuts preserve sync. Once everything is cut, render a short export to confirm audio/video remain locked. If you notice drift over long takes, make sure both devices use the same frame rate and sample rate. If not, resample or resync smaller sections to correct timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.